and welcome back. We are so glad to be back today with a great video for you, and we're sorry that we missed you on Sunday. As you can probably tell, I am recovering from a cold. I have a little bit of laryngitis going on, so you're gonna have to bear with me, but we couldn't wait another day to share these awesome Walmart spring finds. So we have everything from dresses to some jeans to some tops, so many cute pieces to share, and as usual, everything will be linked in the description box below. So if you just look right below the video, you will see where it says show more, or it has a little arrow. You just click on that, it will open up that description box for you, and you will see sizing information and all the pieces that we have shared. And if you click on those links, you can easily shop these pieces or just find out more information if you're interested.
Yes, and we're also going to be sharing with you some jewelry pieces, and currently right now you can get 30% off by using the code MMM30, so definitely check that out. There are some great jewelry pieces that we're going to be sharing with you for spring and summer. But if you are new here, I'm Christina, this is my best friend Kelly, and we are two women who absolutely love fashion. So if you are someone who loves to find out like the hottest trends, or if you love budget-friendly hauls, then definitely hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. We come out with 2 videos a week every Sunday and Thursday, and of course would love to have you join us. So before I begin, I wanted to first share with you all of the jewelry pieces that I styled with each one of my outfits, starting with these gold hoop earrings. I definitely love this like twisted metal kind of look that they have to them. I thought it was honestly like such an easy earring to style with all of my outfits. I also wore my favorite ring. This is a nail ring, definitely inspired from a designer ring which costs thousands of dollars. It has some little crystal detailing on it, which I absolutely love. Along with a couple pairs of bracelets, I wore a gold bangle in addition to this mixed metal chain link bracelet that really was just super perfect and so easy to style. So if you are anything like me, then you love finding and wearing spring dresses during the season. I don't know what it is, but spring just really inspires me to just wear the most girliest, frilliest type of dresses. And I find that I wear them so much. So of course I had to share this first dress with you. This is a midi dress from Time and True. It is for under $26. I absolutely love this eyelet detail that runs all the way throughout the entire dress. It has a small little ruffle that's along the neckline that I thought was just so pretty and feminine. There's also a tier right around the waist that definitely adds some shape to the dress without making it look very like overly large, so I love that detail. And there's also a nice little tiered ruffled hem down at the very bottom, which just adds such a great little feminine touch. So I picked this up in this beautiful orange color. However, it is also available in 3 other color options. I picked it up in my regular size medium, but it is available in sizes from extra small up to 3XL. So for this one, I styled it with a pair of wedges that I picked up from Nordstrom last year, and thankfully they are still available at Nordstrom Rack. However, they're only available in sizes, I want to say like 8.5 to 12. So I will definitely find a similar one to link down below for you down in the description box. And then I also styled it with this straw tote bag from Time and True that I picked up, I want to say 2 years ago. I have gotten so much use out of it. I have worn it with everything from poolside to beach vacations and everything in between. It's only $23 and definitely one of my favorite spring bags. So this is my first look. Definitely just shouts spring, something that I absolutely love.
So before we get started, I just wanted to mention the jewelry that I'll be wearing with each of these looks. So I'm wearing these beautiful triple strand braided hoops. I love these because they're like a medium-sized hoop that really work easily with every outfit. So cute and such a good price point. I also have on some bracelets. So I have on a little cuff bangle style bracelet. This one's available in both silver and gold. And I'm wearing a little chain link bracelet in the gold color, both really budget friendly, easy to layer or wear on their own. And last but not least, I'm wearing this little statement ring in gold. This is 18 karat gold plated and such a cute ring, so easy to wear either on your middle finger, your ring finger, or even on your pointer finger. It's just such a great statement piece, and these pieces work with every single one of the outfits that I'm sharing with you today. So like Christina, when spring comes around, one of the things that I'm most excited about is wearing spring dresses. I absolutely love all of the feminine, beautiful dress options that are out there. And one of my favorite style of dresses is a great shirt dress. So I was so excited when I found this one. This one is by Free Assembly and it is a cinched waist mini shirt dress. So to me, this one was a perfect length. I love that it had this cinched waist detail. I love a good tie waist, and this one is built right into the dress. Really lets you pull it in as much as you like to really create that shape to the shirt dress. I loved this one in white because I love a great white dress for spring and summer, but it's also available in a navy blue stripe, which is really classic and beautiful as well. This one is available from sizes extra small to 3XL. I actually sized down on this one to an extra small because of this fact that I could kind of tell in the pictures it was a bit of an oversized boyfriend shirt style dress, and the extra small worked out perfectly for me. This one is 100% cotton, which I absolutely love, makes it so comfortable, has these little side pockets and this shirt tail hem detail. So such a cute one for the spring and summer season. When I saw it on the website, definitely didn't really appeal to me because they kind of had it all buttoned up to the neck and they had the sleeves unrolled. But when you really style this up, I just think it is so cute. And you could also get away with wearing this on vacation, even as like a swimsuit cover up. So really love this one. I styled it with some cute little espadrille wedges. These are very limited in sizing over at Express, but I'll try to find another great pair to share with you. And a cute little straw crossbody bag. This one is from Amazon. Such a good price, such a great bag, and will definitely go with all of those cute spring dresses.
So I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but when I find a piece that I love, I always order it in multiple colors and prints, and that is definitely what happened with this next outfit. So I fell in love with this top from Free Assembly. I just love the square neckline and the blouse and sleeves, definitely so perfect for spring, but I have to tell you, this peplum detail is by far my favorite part. I really just think it adds so much great shape to this top. So because it's made of this cotton fabric, it really makes it super easy to either wear casually with maybe a pair of shorts, or also you can just easily throw on some heels to really dress it up. So I picked it up in both this pink and navy color, but it is available in 3 additional colors and is only for $24. I styled this top with this high-rise curvy girlfriend jean from Sofia Vergara. It's in this gorgeous wash color called Peace Sign. It's available in not only regular but also short sizes and ranges from 00 up to 20. And the great thing is that it's also available in plus sizes, so they go all the way up to a 26. Now the only bad thing is that they are definitely selling out fast because they are on sale right now for $16. However, they are available in several other washes that I will link down below for you. However, if you are someone who prefers a mid-rise, then I'm also going to share with you these baggy boyfriend jeans, also by Sofia Vergara. I feel like they have a very similar shape that's really perfect and super versatile to wear with so many different pieces for spring. And then I just styled it with this double strap heel that I picked up from Target last year. I love this woven detail and the square toe. I picked it up in this like light tan color. However, it is available in 11 other colors and is only for $35. So for this particular outfit, I decided to style it with this great Amazon flap chevron bag that we have shared with you before. This is definitely a good one if you are looking for one that has a little bit of this like chain detail in it, but I just absolutely love this outfit for spring.
So besides dresses, one of my favorite items for spring and summer are white jeans. And of course, with all the relaxed denim trends going strong, I wanted to find a great pair of white jeans in a different cut. And so I found this great pair by Sofia Vergara. These are the Melissa seamed flared white jeans. So I thought these were just such a cute option for spring and summer. These have like a seam going straight down the leg line, which I think is very elongating elongating and flattering. These are in a flare style, so a little bit of drama going on at the bottom of the jean, but nice and fitted throughout the hips and thighs. These jeans are under $30 and they're available in both this white color as well as a medium blue shade. They're also available in regular or short. I picked mine up in regular just because I knew I was going to want to wear them with some like wedge heeled sandals or something like that, and I needed to have a little bit more height. So I cannot wear these with flats. However, they look great with a pair of wedges or heels. These are available from sizes 00 to a 22. They are a high rise with a 10.5-inch rise, and the regular has a 33.5-inch inseam. For reference, I am 5'3", and these fit me really nicely with a heel, like I said. So I styled this pair of white jeans with this adorable Eyelet baby doll top. I love a top like this. I love a little bit of a baby doll fit. This one is loose and flowy, but without being like overly loose and flowy, which can of course sometimes give you a little bit of that maternity feel, but I loved this beautiful berry shade. This one is also available in a white from sizes extra, extra small to triple extra large. It has elastic in the back, so this is really easy to just pull right on over your head, and it has this beautiful V neckline, and I love that it has the little eyelet details. We talked about eyelet as one of our spring trends in our last video, and it's definitely one of my favorite little details for the springtime. And I wanted to pair this one in a very casual way, so wearing it with the jeans, a little espadrille wedge, but I have this beautiful canvas tote bag that I recently picked up from a haul that is coming soon from Express, so I figured I'd throw it in here. Now this one is not quite as budget friendly as some of these other pieces, but if you're looking for a great tote, maybe for the beach or for spring and summer, I thought this floral one was absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted to share how just that little bit of color and pattern to the bag really just makes all of this like plain, classic, solid outfit come together. So I just love this. I think this is a perfect look for brunch or going out during the day or nighttime in spring and summer. And just these beautiful classic pieces that you can wear in a variety of ways. And I wanted to share with you another top option that looks fantastic with these white flare jeans, but would also work well with regular jeans or even a great pair of shorts. So this one is a tank top with a tie front. This one is available in 4 different color options. Of course, I went for this cute little floral option. It is only $16. It comes in sizes from extra small to triple extra large. This one is 100% cotton micro twill, so it's a very good fabric for those hot summer months. Has a little bit of a relaxed fit and some adjustable straps. So this is also kind of that baby doll style top. This one is a little bit more flowy. I think it would be great if you are covering up a little bit of a belly, or maybe even if you are in the early stages of pregnancy. These are 2 tops that are in a style that can really work well if you pair them with something that is slimmer on the bottom and you want to camouflage a little bit of a tummy area. That's a great way to do it, with a little bit of a flowy top, tighter on the bottom. So even though these jeans are flare, because they are fitted in the hips and thighs, they still give you that slimming effect on the bottom and really elongating the body with the wedge sandals. So I really like these styles of tops with these.
So I found another dress that I just thought was so perfect for spring and summer, and that is this midi sundress by Free Assembly. This has an elastic waist, very similar to those 2 tops that I just shared with you, which is probably the reason why I loved this dress so much. It has pockets, which is honestly one of my favorite features for dresses. It just always makes me instantly fall in love with them. And then it also has, I would want to say, like this little ruffle hem kind of cinching detail that's throughout the dress. So this dress has some tie straps, which are very bra friendly. It really allows you to adjust the dress to make it the perfect fit. However, you can also take these very same straps and create a halter style just by tucking the straps in the back into the dress, or you could also create a strapless look like I did by tucking all of the straps into the dress. So I picked up this one in a dark navy color. color. However, it is also available in a couple of other colors, but I thought this was just such a great dress, and especially one that's perfect for vacations, whether you are styling it with some sandals and maybe like a little straw hat and a tote for a very casual look, or whether you wanted to dress it up for the evening with a pair of heels and a little clutch. It's just perfect for spring.
So for this last look, I went for something that I think would be great for like a spring or summer date night, or maybe even like an elevated brunch look. And this is this matte satin slip dress. So this is a little bit outside of my comfort zone. I'm not someone who typically goes for a slip dress, and on its own, this isn't really a dress I would wear by itself, although I think it works really beautifully on lots of body types. But for me, I really wanted to kind of layer it a little bit under a denim jacket, which is something that I love to do with some dresses. So this dress though is a really great option. It is available in 3 different color options. Of course, I went for this beautiful like fuchsia pink color. I love the florals, how they're like tone on tone type of florals. I really enjoy that look. This is available in sizes extra small to 2XL. It does have adjustable straps. It is a pullover style, so it's a little bit like of a somewhat looser fit. It's not super tight on the body, and this beautiful matte satin fabric elevates the look a little bit. Slip dresses are really hot, and I thought this was a fun and easy way to wear it. So I layered it underneath this Time and True denim jacket. I've owned this jacket for quite a while now, definitely over a year, maybe even 2 years, but it is still available at Walmart. It's under $25. I picked up the medium wash, but it is available in 4 different washes. This one comes in sizes extra small through 3XL, and it has 3% spandex, which I feel like is a perfect amount of stretch in the jacket to make it super comfortable and flattering on the body. And I just paired it with this little crossbody bag. This is a little guitar strap style bag, which are really hot right now. I picked this one up on Amazon. It comes in a variety of colors and patterns. It has this adjustable strap. These bags are really perfect for any time, but especially great if you are traveling, because that guitar strap crossbody is really, really comfortable. It doesn't dig into the skin. I love this beautiful brown shade, and I paired it with some espadrille wedges that also have that brown shade in them, and I thought that this is just a really cute spring look.
During this time of year, one of my favorite colors that I always gravitate towards is the color white. So of course it's no surprise that I absolutely fell in love with this midi dress from Sofia Vergara. I just absolutely love this eyelet detail. It's one of the details that Kelly and I have really been loving this year. I love also the fact that it has these beautiful like billowy blouse and sleeves. It has an empire waist and this like faux wrap style that's along the neckline. So all of these different details I thought were just so beautiful and feminine and really perfect for spring. I picked it up in this white color, however, it is also available in a classic black. Now, if you saw our most wearable trends video, then you noticed that Kelly also picked up this dress. So I'll show some footage of it for you so that way you can see how it looks on both of us. I'm a size 10, so the medium was perfect for me, and Kelly is a size 4, so of course the small was a perfect fit for her. But I styled this with a little crossbody straw bag, which I thought was perfect, and a pair of wedges. I'm planning on going on a cruise at the end of March, and this is definitely one of the pieces that I'll be bringing with me.
So if you enjoyed this video, we think you're gonna love our wearable spring trends videos. If you haven't watched that one yet, make sure you watch that one next. We share lots of the hottest trends for this season. And if you are new here, we hope you're gonna hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of our content. And go ahead and follow us over on Instagram as well at Mommy's Makeup Moscato. Over there, we share different content, lots of sales and collages and outfits of the day, and lots of great stuff that you are going to love. So don't miss out.